Okay, and welcome back everybody. What we're looking at here, this is the original Bigfoot kit. I was just watching Chris's video on the USA one, and he was going on and on and on about wanting Round 2 to re-release this kit right here. And honestly, I'd really like them to as well. Because, you know, as much as I've got this kit built up here, I'd really like to have another one, and it's been gone for decades. And today I'm just going to give you a look around it to look at it. And so I've got it on the turntable. If you'll see here, you'll notice that I did the bare metal foil on all the necessary places there. But the funny thing is that I only did it on one side so far. But it does look good what we got there. Now I have it out here in the sun, full sunlight. You never really have to worry about your models melting in sunlight because styrene doesn't melt until about 400 something degrees, and it's just not that hot out here. And besides that, I've got some yellowing happening on these rims that I painted 40 years ago. And being out in the sun, I might be able to bleach them out. I'll leave it out here all day, turning it odd angles and stuff, trying to get that to bleach out. But otherwise, yeah, you come around to the back here, and you see it's got an operating tailgate. And then you come around to this side, and you'll see that I didn't foil it. But I still can. It's not ruined. Roll bar up there is very different from the newer versions. Interesting the way it mounts on the wells there. Now, curiously, you see the bed doesn't look like it's. Well, does that actually open like a hood? Yeah, it does. Okay, well, you can open the hood, or if your bed is loose, you can just take the bed off. For the bed, I'm saying bed, and it's a cab. So there is your 460. And also, those shock absorbers are different on this one from the... Hey, we got a school bus coming by. Let's wait. Nope, I was wrong. FedEx. FedEx trucks. Your trucks sound like school buses. Anyway, the shock absorbers on the original Bigfoot are these... The ones that look like this. I don't know how to describe them, but later incarnations, very different shock. Is that going to stay, or is it going to fall? Feels like it's going to stay. Sort of feels like it's going to. But why am I even doing that? Putting that down there. So there's that one, and I'm completely with Chris when I say to Round 2, please reissue this one. I hope you have all the molds for this one somewhere, because this is the one that everybody wants. Aside from that, I did bring another one out. I brought the other somewhat newer one, and when they were releasing these, they were I'm not going to have room up there. When they were releasing these, they were actually giving numbers. So it was coming out with like Bigfoot 1, Bigfoot 2, Bigfoot 3, Bigfoot 4. Then they kind of jumped to like Bigfoot 10. And then more. And I have all those. Just that these are the only two I've built. Same 460, I think it's the same one. See what we got in there. Sure looks the same. As you can see, the shock setup is very different on the newer one. Really like the decals. If I recall, I've lost some of the... Yes, I have. I haven't lost some of the... I lost all but one of the lenses. Nope, I see two of them there. But that can be made out of anything. I didn't do any chrome foil on this one. Same thing, the wheels are getting a little dull. Although this build is quite a bit newer. This is probably 10 years newer. And I think that the body is... Whoa, oh, hey, whoa! See that? This is exactly what Chris is always talking about. He glues his wheels on every time because of the number of times the thing's rolled away from you and rolled off the table. So here's a look underneath. Hoping to get a better look at those shocks. Okay. And that's basically it. You know, really wouldn't mind this one being reissued either. I really enjoyed this build. It's just gonna roll right off of there, isn't it? So why am I even doing that? Let me take this one off and put it back in the box. And we'll grab this one. Come here, you. And leave it up there. And while I have it out, ooh, look at that. While I have it out there, I'll probably get some pictures of it. But I just wanted to share it with everybody. And gosh, if we can rally everybody, get everybody all excited to annoy round 2 to re-release this kit, this one. That sure would be neat. I think that the most influence would be Chris, and he's already doing it. So, you know, send your cards and letters to round 2. And there's my Bigfoot, my other Bigfoot. And thanks for watching, everybody.